constructions. See, in exercise 8.1, I'm going to teach you this ninth construction, and in exercise 8.2, 10th, 11th and 12th constructions we are going to learn today. See, this is about AP board. Coming to CBSE, in NCERT textbook for 10th class students, there is a separate chapter for constructions. So these constructions will helpful for both CBSE and AP state board also. These are very important for the board exams or public examinations. Please learn all these constructions. Okay, the first one is draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 5:3. Measure the two parts. This is the first construction. Draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 5:3. Measure the two parts here. Okay. See, my dear students, let me construct a rough diagram first. Here, just draw a line segment here. This is 7.2 centimeters. It's a rough figure only. For every construction, there should be a rough sketch also. For rough figure also, there should be some marks. So here, this C divides this line segment in the ratio 5:3. 5:3. That means AC is 5 parts. That CB is 3 parts. Here in this construction, first we have to do a line segment. We have to draw a line segment here. First, draw a line segment with 7.2 centimeters radius. Yeah. See, when you draw a line segment, you have to start from 0 here, not from 1. Here you put a point, and at 7.2 centimeters, draw another point, put another point, and join these 2 points. Then you will get a line segment. This is AB. This is 7.2 centimeters. 7.2 centimeters. What next? We have to draw an acute ray with AB. Draw an acute ray. Acute ray means, acute angle means what? Which is less than 90 degrees. So this is X. Angle BAX is an acute angle. This angle is an acute angle. Now what you have to do is, what is the ratio given here? In which ratio we have to divide this line segment? 5:3. So what is the sum of the ratio? Sum means plus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. So my dear students, here divide this ray. That means not dividing, actually mark 8 points with equidistant, with equal parts like this. Just mark 8 points on this ray. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more is there, 8. Okay, so this is 8th point. Okay, now here let these points be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 and A8. This point is A8. These are the 8 points we have marked on this ray. What is this ray? AX ray. Okay, the next one is, now join this B and A8. This is the point A8. This is A8. Now join this B and A8 using this ruler or scale. Yes, BA8. Now the next step is we have to draw a parallel line. Parallel line to draw a parallel line to this BA8 to this BA8 through A5 through this A5. So how do you draw a parallel line here? Again, take a circular. This is the point now, students. Here with some convenient radius, just draw an arc like this. With A5 also, with A5 as center, draw another arc. Draw another arc. Now measure this length of this arc. Measure this length of the arc. So with the same radius, it intersect here, no? Place this pointer here and cut this previous arc. Understand? Again I am telling. Here from A8 with some convenient radius, just draw an arc. From A5 also with the same radius, draw another arc. The next step is measure this distance, this length of this arc, like this. Measure this distance. With the same radius, cut this previous arc. Okay. Now what you have to do is join this A5 and this intersecting point where they are intersecting the two arcs. So just join here like this, right? So this is, it intersects this line segment, this line, that means this parallel line intersects this AB at C. Intersects this AB at C. See my dear students, why these two lines are parallel? Because this angle and this angle, these two measures are equal. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. What are those angles here? What do you call these angles? These are called corresponding angles. These corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, these two lines are parallel to each other. The two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Now, the next step is we have to measure this AC and BC. We have to measure this AC and BC. See, take the divider and measure the distance from A to C here. Measure this distance from this A to C. Right. So this is the AC. Distance is AC. Now, again, from O to here, this is some 4.5 centimeters. This length is 4.5 centimeters. Therefore, this AC is equal to 4.5 centimeters. What about BC? Again, using this divider, and this is some 2.7 centimeters. This BC is equal to 2.7 centimeters. Let us verify this ratio is equal to 5:3 or not? See, my dear students, AC by BC, that is 4.5 by 2.7. This is nothing but 45 by 27. 45 by 27. Here 9 table, here 5 times, here 3 times. This is equal to 5 by 3. So that means AC is to BC is equal to 5:3. So this is the construction of a line segment 7.2 centimeters, and we had divided it into 5:3. Okay. Consider a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So first we draw a rough sketch for this. Here ABC is a triangle. We have to consider another bigger triangle which is similar to ABC. A dash B C dash is another similar triangle which is bigger than triangle ABC. Okay, here we will construct a triangle with some of our convenient measurements like this. So ABC is a triangle. Okay, what next, my dear students? The same process. You have to draw what? A ray, BX ray, which makes an angle, acute angle with BC. Acute angle with BC. Here this angle is acute angle. Okay, here the ratio of the corresponding sides is 5:3. 5:3. This is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator here. Therefore, the triangle what we are going to construct is bigger than the original triangle ABC. Okay. Here this in this fraction 5 is bigger than 3. So we have to mark 5 parts. 5 parts on this ray. This is second point, third point, fourth point, and this is fifth point. So we mark 5 points here. Let the points are B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay. So how do you mark these points? It depends on the bigger number in the fraction. If the bigger number is 5, the number here, the bigger number 5, so 5 points we should mark on this ray. Right. What next, my dear students? Here, what is in the denominator? This is 3. So every time we should join with the number which is in the denominator. Okay. Right. What next here? Just produce this BA. Produce this BA and produce this BC also. Produce this BC also. Right. We produced BA and we produced BC also. Why? The triangle what we are going to construct here is the bigger than this original triangle ABC. It will come like this, A dash B C dash, like that. Okay, now we have to draw parallel lines. We have to draw parallel lines to B3C through B5. So the process is here, just draw an arc like this. With B3 as center, just draw an arc. So here with B5 as center also, draw another arc, with B5 as center. Right. Now measure this distance, my dear students, here like this. This is the length of this arc. Now this previous arc intersecting this BX ray at here, no? Actually, it is not B4. Don't confuse. Okay. Cut on this previous arc. Now, through this B5, we have to draw a parallel line to this B3C. Okay. Now, join these intersecting arcs and this B5. Okay. So, this B3C and B5C dash, this is C dash, are what? Parallel lines. Okay. Next one is, again we have to draw another parallel line. So the same process here also, just draw an arc with C as center, and with C dash as center draw another arc with the same radius, and measure this length of this arc, and here also measure this arc. Sorry, just cut the previous arc. Okay, again same process through C dash, from C dash to these intersecting points of the arcs, just join, right? So this is A dash, this is C dash. Now A dash, C dash and AC are parallel. Why they are parallel? These two angles are corresponding angles. Why these two lines are parallel, B3C and B5C dash? These two are corresponding angles. We have taken with the same measures, right? Now coming to the proof, my dear students. Take the two triangles. In triangle A dash B C dash and triangle ABC and triangle ABC, here the common angle is angle B. In both the triangles, this is the common angle. Right here, common angle. Right. What next? Angle ACB is equal to angle A dash C dash B. A dash C dash B is equal to angle ACB. These are corresponding angles, since corresponding angles are equal. Already told, no, right? Now triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. The two triangles are similar according to AA similarity theorem. Okay, you must write this proof, my dear students. Don't forget to write. There are marks will be given for this proof also, for this rough figure and proof, right? Now whenever the two triangles are similar, according to the definition, the corresponding sides are proportional. That means A dash B by AB, BC dash by BC, and A dash C dash by AC. So this ratio is equal to 5 by 3, 5:3. Okay. So this is the construction. Here just 3 points you have to remember. 5 by 3. So 5 is, take the bigger number here and mark 5 points here on this ray. The second point you have to remember is denominator. Always take the denominator. 3 is the denominator. So B3 and C, this third point and C, E join. And the third point you have to remember is 5 by 3. This is improper fraction. So the new similar triangle is bigger than this ABC. That means A dash B C dash. This is new triangle. I hope you understand all these constructions. And one more thing I want to tell you. I would like to upload